Huwag muna ha, yung kung mag-aasawa kayo, pwede kausapin namin. Dito na lang kayo. Di kami nangingialam. Yung parang gano'n, kung pwede lang kasama. Para si Janice, gusto mo, nandyan lang.
Okay, Alex.
Sorry, Mare. Follow-up question. What, to the mothers, the same, Janice, Elise, and Sharon, what are you a mother of?
Si Bobby, si Sharon.
My mother of? I mean, the way I am? Or what my kids are like?
You can say, I'm a mother of understanding because, diba, you are very understanding of your kids, diba?
I am a mother of patience, understanding, and I love my kids very much. I'm crazy about my kids, but I'm also sensitive. So, kasi parang yung mga pinakamamahal mo pag medyo pinasabi o nagawang nakakasakit. Yun. Pero I'm blessed. You know, my kids I have great kids.
Sarap sabihin ng isang magulang, I'm blessed with the best kids, Nay.
I think I'm a crazy mother. Seryoso yun, kasi pag nanay ka, lahat ng klaseng emosyon. Lahat ng klaseng emosyon, mararamdaman mo. Lahat ng klaseng, para ka ring artista pag nagsisermon ka. So yung sermon mo, indifferent may masaya ka, may galit ka, may nagmamakaawa ka. So parang may patumbling kang nagsisermon. You're just to be able to get to them. And you know, my children now, when we talk about it, nagtatawanan sila, yung pinagtatawanan nila ako. Kasi, totoo yun I'm a crazy mother, I have to admit that. Kasi all emotions, lahat klase. And because I am a single parent, I really don't have the time. Diba? So, para sa akin, when I have to say something, if we need to talk about something, whether it be boys, whether it be sex, whether it be... Huwag na tayong maglokohan, wala akong time. So, sinasabi ko na sa inyo ng diretso. Totoo yun, di ba? Diretso. Kasi pag hindi mo diniretso, hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Better kung sabihin mo na ng diretso. Yung sila yung nasa-shock, oh my God, Mom. Gaganon sila. Oh my God, Mom, please, no. Kasi ko, please, yes.
Ako inaano ko lang lagi honesty, di ba? I appreciate honesty. So I may jump up and down when I hear something, but I will never ever judge you. I will love you unconditionally. But you lie to me. I don't like lying. That's the one thing I cannot stand. But I don't demand what I cannot give it. So I'm straight with you. Please be straight with me, respectfully. But you know, hey, respect me, I respect you. Don't play games with me. But they can tell me anything, same as Janice. Busy nga kami.
This is why I love going to work also. Can I just say? Kasi, I mean, ang dami mong matututunan. Even like motherhood, life in general. Eto na, nakikita niyo kung paano, kung ano yung nakukuhang inputs from each one of the people in the show. And it's sobrang saya. Anyways,
sorry, si Elise pareho ko yan. Pareho kaming birthday.
Yes! January 6. Capricorn. Anyways, I think for me it's too early for me to tell. Yes, so I'm just excited for what's to come, hearing stories from other moms as well, from my own mom, from the moms that I work with. Parang exciting kasi nga sabi nila nakakabaliw, di ba? Exciting naman yun. And I'm just really looking forward to it. Right now, siguro masasabi ko I'm a mother of love. Kasi ngayon, yun ang binibigay ko sa kanya as much as I can.
One last question. Isa nila. Ayaw mo ba, Richard?
No. You're good.
Sharon and Janice, you were once a single mother, di ba? At what point were you more of a mother? And at what point were you more of a father?
All the time. When we had to be mother and father. Ako, when I had to be both mom and dad to Casey. Nasa akin siya So parang, ang hirap talaga pala. Kasi may roles na talagang dapat sa ama. May roles na talagang dapat sa ina. So ang hirap talaga na mag-isa. I sympathize with all single parents out there, both moms and dads. It's not easy talaga being both to your child, and it's not always possible to be both. You just do your best. Pero all the time, 100%. You try to, you'll never replace the father, pero just do your best na lang to fulfill some of the duties na wala kayong choice kasi kayo lang.
I think for most of my life, I'm always a mother and a father at the same time. Their fathers are there, pero on a daily basis, I am a mom and a dad at the same time. It's really not easy. It's really not easy kasi may mga bagay ka na, like I said, that's why I have to be blunt with my children. Because I am trying to act out two roles, and it really is not easy. And it's still not easy, even if my children are all grown up, o mas madali silang kausap, pero may mga bagay pa rin na parang nangangailangan ng second parent na discussion. But then you try to be both. So I just hope that I'm doing a good job. Yun lang yun.
Thank you, Alex. Maraming salamat. I wanted to ask lang, Julia and Sam, kasi nabanggit na ni Elise na parang tuwang-tuwa siya na ang dami niya na-absorb na nuggets of wisdom. Kayo din ba on the set with, Sharon and Janice? Meron kayong mga na-absorb na lessons, life lessons, nuggets of wisdom? Yeah?
Ako marami kasi yung life lesson hindi mo yan masasabing matututunan mo unless mapagdaanan mo or napagdaanan ng iba.
Right.
Siyempre, coming from them po na napagdaanan yung maraming bagay. When you listen, you know na eventually kung dadating ka sa posisyon na pagdaanan mo yung napag-usapan, alam mo yung pakiramdam na baka ito yung pwede kong gawin. Medyo in a way meron ka ng parang pre-game, kumbaga medyo na-brief ka na ika nga. Malaking bagay yun. Kasi growing up, or kung ikaw bilang nanay, ang hirap nun kapag lost ka, pag walang nag-mother din sa'yo. So parang yun yung tinatawag nga na i-break mo yung cycle. So ikaw, paano mo ipaprocess yun kung hindi mo alam din i-process? Pero with their, yung napagdaanan nga nila, ika nga, malaking tulong yun, malaking baon yun sa buhay para din ma-apply mo. Eventually, maa-apply mo talaga.
Sam?
Life lesson sa katabi mo, sa kaliwa mo, meron ba?
Kasi normally pag nasa set,
hindi
naman parang life lessons yung pinag-uusapan namin. Yung parang normal na kwentuhan. We just share
Pero you didn't
life
know,
lessons.
pero hindi mo alam, life lesson na pala yun. Diba? Sometimes, diba?